Hi everyone, in this video I am going to show you about the benefits of pine tree according to Feng Shui, the best place to plant pine tree, and do watch till the end for extra bonus information especially for you. According to Chinese culture and Feng Shui, pine trees are connected with longevity. In Feng Shui, pine trees represent the element of wood. Its roots are our ancestors and its branches are our offsprings and our future. A pine tree is sacred tree in Feng Shui, which is the evergreen because they keep their green color forever for all the years. Evergreen always bring prosperity. Pine trees can survive in extreme heat and cold and can resist many diseases, fungi and pests. All parts of pine trees are used as source of timber, oil, resin, shelter, and they can grow for more than 100 years of age. Pine trees in your yard, especially when planted in east, can bring you a long life. Pine trees to the west of the house bring wealth. Owners tend to succeed at work. A pine tree is also suitable to be planted in the northeast direction of the house. Hanging a picture of a pine forest in your home or office as a reminder of your own adaptability, strength and longevity. Here is the bonus information for you. Pine tree along with cypress tree can promote friendship, loyalty, companionship and camaraderie. It improves the fidelity of a person. Plant it in your garden. It is sure they will emit positivity.